Hello, class. How's it going? I will be doing a video response to the discussion questions. Um, what would I teach in a leadership workshop? According to what I read from the Tubbs reading, I would definitely teach coaching. I think coaching is definitely important for leaders to be able to do within their organization. I think Jesus even tells us about speaking life into people. I think that's a rudiment thing that we should all learn to do. That is detrimental to the success of not just one person, but to the entire organization. Um, you could also leverage that to at least full potential in people. I've noticed the difference when I was in a management role before in restaurants, just making everybody feel on board and speaking life into them and being positive and letting them know that it's okay that we will have shortcomings. And that's where the other team comes together and we cultivate our differences on fixing those different things. Another important thing that I want to mention is accountability. I think accountability is definitely one of the top things I would teach at a leadership conference because a lot of the times um, some of these scandals happen at some of these Fortune 500 companies. I know Enron was one example. Is that these leaders are not held accountable. The people that are around them kind of kiss up to what they say and don't really hold them accountable for some of the actions they do. And the outcomes of this are sometimes very tragic. I know, like Enron being one of the largest examples of that. Bernie Madoff was another one where a scandal happened because he was not held accountable. He created a pyramid scheme where he took a lot of overseas offshore investments from foreign investors who wanted to get in U.S. markets, and he found out that there was an easy way to manipulate those kind of people. He even did it to people here in the United States, all over the country actually, and stuff like that happened because he was not held accountable, and so he took their money and did a scandal with it. Change management is another important thing. I think we always have to be open to change in a good way that brings forth truth and justice. Some change is not good change, and we must be able to decipher that. But change management training is definitely important. It's something I would teach. Is because we have to look at technologies advancing. We have an old way of doing things, and sometimes those old ways are kind of outdated, and you got to make some changes. I could use the example of many retailers who have not decided to make rudiment and important changes. And what happened was those retailers went bankrupt. And so it's definitely important to make that change. Going online, brick and mortars changing, be willing to have that change management, that change. Influence and negotiation, that's another important thing. Yeah, you must be a light everywhere you go, and also create partnerships. You can't do everything alone, so that's why the negotiation would be definitely important to have to kind of leverage that. That's very important. Another thing is communication. A lot of the times issues and problems that occur in life and just in general with a lot of things that go on, it's just the lack of communication. I think communication is a skill that needs to be optimized in order to be, to amplify a particular company or the organization, departments, different things they have within those companies. Communication is something. Communication training is definitely important. Staying in touch with all the other executives. Most importantly, I would implement those things and hope for a good outcome of implementing all those things at a leadership training conference if I was leading one. Look forward to seeing some of your comments, and thank you guys so much.